Welcome to my channel. Today, I'll share a recipe for a delicious mushroom sauce. If you're new, please subscribe and hit the bell to stay updated with my latest recipes. I'll list the ingredients needed, which you can also find in the video description. I'll include a link to my blog where you can find all my recipes. In a pan, I'll saute onions and add 30 g of mushrooms. These are dried mushrooms that I rinsed and soaked overnight, then cooked for about an hour. I included the stems, so I cooked them longer to ensure they're not tough. Now, I'll fry them for 4-5 minutes before transferring the mushrooms and onions to a pot. I'll add a bay leaf and allspice, then pour in 600 milliliters of the water used to boil the mushrooms. Now I'll bring everything to a boil. Here I have 200 milliliters of sweet cream. I mix 30% cream with a tablespoon of wheat flour, then add it to the sauce. You can adjust the flour amount for your desired sauce consistency. I season with soy sauce and pepper. Soy sauce darkens the sauce. If not using soy sauce, just use pepper and salt. Once boiled, it's ready. I sprinkle fresh parsley on top before serving. Perfect for various dinner dishes and Christmas meals. Share your dried mushroom sauce recipe. Like, comment, and watch more videos. Recipe link is in the video description. Thanks for watching. Take care.